In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your voice on Audiotool. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to give the website microphone permission. So go to the top left here, click on that button, and from here where it says microphone, make sure it's actually enabled, okay? Now, that's the first step. Then you have to reload the website, and when you've done that, next step is going to be top right, you want to click on this plus button, and then here you have a bunch of different things, and under tools, you have this audio track, okay? The audio playback device. Just drag and drop this anywhere on here like that. There we go. And then make sure it's not on mute, so make sure it's not shining, it's off. And here at the bottom you can now see you have a new audio track. So to actually record your voice, you want to click on this R button here, and it's going to say that you basically have to record or calibrate. So usually you're going to have to calibrate. If that happens first, you want to click on calibrate, and then here you can basically just click on start. It's going to play a few beeps for you over here. Just basically stay quiet, and it's going to measure this for a few seconds. But if you get stuck and for some reason it doesn't work, you could also just go to calibrate, click on manual, type in your own recording offset, click on OK, and you'll be inside the recording section. Now, of course, whenever you've done this for the first time, you'll be able to just hit record anytime you open this, and then it's going to look like this. This is the audio recording where you can actually record your voice. So to start, you can of course set all these settings if you want to. You can recalibrate, set the start position, etc. But if you just want to go ahead and start recording your voice, click on record. It's going to count you out. There we go, and as you can see here, this is like the red line. It's hardly visible, but that's it. I'm currently actually recording the voice as I'm talking to you in this tutorial. So, of course, you could change the input gain over here as well, but I'm going to stop it right here. I'm going to preview it. There we go, and as you can see here... Yeah, as you can hear, it's my audio. It's basically me speaking to you. I can go ahead and click on upload, and this is going to take it inside Probe over here. You can just go ahead and edit this if you wanna, or you could go and click on upload, and then just basically give it a name. I'm going to leave it as sample voice over here. I'm gonna put description same, and then the tag is gonna be voice like this. I'm gonna leave it as one shot, and there we go. Of course, you can change this if you wanna. I'm gonna click on upload and make it private. That way it's gonna start uploading. Usually it takes a few seconds to actually process. Then you can just close this window and you'll see that we have our voice in there. So close. There we go. As you can see, this is the sample voice. If I play this, and as you can see here, it's the voice I've actually played and recorded earlier. So that's how we do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.